On a terrace during the winter season, we lack colors and especially flowers. Know that you can create beautiful decorations with different shades of foliage and a touch of flowers. In autumn, the pots that previously supported annual plants and vegetables look quite sad. Once emptied of their contents and cleaned, they can refresh the space with decorative foliage plants and a few autumn and winter flowering plants. Good drainage is essential with a shard, clay pebbles and a felt to separate the drainage from the planting soil. In the same pot, we will gather a carex with green and yellow colored foliage, a golden mini conifer, a trailing ivy speckled with yellow and green, an ornamental cabbage, and a deer knot in the same shades, and to intensify the sunny effect, the spent yellow. On the rustic side, on a small table leaning against a railing, old pots with saltpeter stains combine the flowers, and the silver foliage of a heather, a dusty miller, and a cushion bush, also called silver cushion. The whole ensemble pairs with a centaurea placed right next to it. In an empty container, which produced delicious cherry tomatoes this summer, a harmonious combination of an andenin, whose evergreen foliage evolves with the seasons, ignites. A mini cyclamen with brighter colors adorns its base, along with a heuchera with purple foliage, and more ephemeral, the gracilis heather with almost red flowers. A single pansy, an ornamental cabbage, and a photinia complete the palette of purples. On a terrace in a container, raspberry bushes are grown, which in autumn shed their leaves. The bare stems are dressed in white with the pom-poms of a chrysanthemum, a laurel with evergreen foliage, a cover of carex with fine leaves mixed with white and green, and a Christmas rose. The plants keep their skin because in the spring they will be replaced by the young and vigorous canes of the raspberry bushes. Most of these plants are capable of surviving the winter outside even if they freeze, except for the chrysanthemum and cyclamens, which add a touch of color in the fall and can be replaced by other flowering plants during the winter, like hellebore. Titling: Canadian Radio Canada